Here I have Mercedes Vito, and let me show you how to enable and how to use the winter tire limit on the following car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the Mercedes infotainment system. Here you need to swipe one time until you see the car icon. The car icon means settings, so let's open the settings. Here in the settings list, we've got a few sections from the top menu that we can use, and one of them is vehicle. From vehicle, all you need to do is select here the first option, which is driving. So now in driving, you can enable the winter tire limit just by using this switcher, and you can choose the limit. It could be the highest one, 240 km per hour, or for example 160 km per hour. This is the minimum one. Let me use, for example, 220 km per hour, and let me just close it. And basically, what is it? Winter tires often have a lower speed rating than summer tires. If you turn this on and set a limit, the car will warn you if you exceed the speed to protect the tire tread. So sometimes it can be useful. I highly recommend to use it. You can also read the instructions on your tires, what is your limit, and you can set it up correctly. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.